Hello dear students. In today's lecture we will discuss about word formation process. You know that the word formation process is actually about the words or the vocabulary of any language. So we are discussing about the vocabulary, the word formation process of English language today. There are a lot of terms related to this topic. We will discuss only three terms today: the coinage, the borrowing, and as well as loan translation. We can call it a calque. Also, we will discuss these three terms in today's lecture. Okay, let's start. What the coinage is actually? This process involves the invention of entirely new terms. Examples include aspirin and goggle. Coinage often originates from invented trade names or brand names that become generalized terms for a product or concept. Okay, actually, the coinage, we can simply say that, for example, when a new term is invented, it is given a new name. That is actually coinage, means that that was not that name was not the vocabulary of that language previously, but later when the thing was invented and given a new name, that is called coinage. Okay, so for example, we have here aspirin, and as well as we have google. Okay, these are two terms. The aspirin is from any medicine, the name of any medicine, and it was when it was invented give the name aspirin. And another is google was not the name of the search engine previously, but later it is given the name of google. So we will see in the explanation, we will have the explanation now. For example, let's see. Example: Goggle originally derived from Google, okay, a mathematical term. It's actually a mathematical term, uh, now widely used as a verb, meaning to search for information on the internet. You know that this was not a name first in English language. It was a mathematical term. It was not a name of search engine. Now it is used for search on the internet. This is what, when a new thing is invented, given a name. Okay, that is our coinage. Okay, now next is borrowing. This process involves adopting words from other languages. Examples include croissant, croissant from French, piano from Italian, and yogurt from Turkish. These are the examples. Okay, we'll see the explanation of these words. For example, we have the example cafe, borrowed from French. Cafe is actually the word of French language, now commonly used in English to refer to a coffee house or a place serving coffee and refreshments. Means the words that are part of the vocabulary of other languages, but they are used in English language commonly. They are called borrowing. Okay, borrowing is that. Now we have another term, that is loan translation. It is also called calque. In this process, elements of a word are translated directly into the borrowing language. Examples include crat seal. It is French word. Crat seal is the French word. It is a French word. Now for skyscraper, you know that skyscraper is English word, and it is translated actually directly from French to English. Got it? Great seal is actually sky seal is scraper. Okay, now it is given directly the name skyscraper in English. They translated it and they give the name skyscraper. So this is called loan translation. They brought a word from any other language, they translated it and they give the new name. That is Calque or loan translation. Okay. And Superman from German. This Superman is so from German. This is German word. This one is German. Okay. This is Ubermensch. Ubermensch. This is German word, and its English is Superman. This is also translated and given the name Superman. So it is very easy concept. Now we will have some examples. We will discuss about these examples, and we'll come to know about skyscraper, a loan translation of volcan crater. Okay, skyscraper has two origins. One is for example, we said that it is derived from a crat seal, and it is derived from also volcan crater. This is also German word, and it is translated from uh, volcan crater and given the name skyscraper. It means that in German, the skyscraper has two names. One is Krat Seal, another is Volcan Kratzer. And in English, only one name, that is skyscraper, right? Where Volcan means cloud and Kratzer means scraper. And we give the new name, that is skyscraper in English language. So I hope that you have understood these three terms. The coinage means that when we invent a new term, we give the name new name, that is our coinage. And when we borrow a word from other language and we use it in our English language, that is our borrowing. And the third one is loan translation. That means that we directly translate a word from other language and we use it in English language. That is loan translation. So I hope that you have understood this video, and we will meet in another video. Thank you so much for watching.